Bagus nih. Judo jinker men lada pim tip jingim kanam sha Suki pa suki pin sa boy shala katong lada jinge ki bandungin nang tur shaprang wajukin randin namada shisha botilur ha uplay lem jingat patin Hoy, Q, hoy, Q, hoy, Q. Hoy, Q, hoy, Q, hoy. Halo perlok kata dah create live fashion dan mem yuk le blog lalu teni tak wa ampun kami saya cepat dan Ipai wan yuk live fashion ni kita kena yuk video rinyo tak video ke chat yang kita try pat dan yuk ring dia wa dai wa chat gibro yuk ring bun chat how dai ke ni le te Pak Uncipil ada yuk por ring, tenang yuk por te rekod juga.
the rachi in the hand, a tool used for cutting rice, and small bag to carry her belongings. She represents the hard-working spirit of women during the harvest season. This ensembles a tribute to their strength, dedication, and vital role in sustaining the community through cultivation. Wakakansay pangray, yung man kaniyam chongka kwabyang, hakhen chwaya karatap karabyang, mandayabyang ki aryang kur, yaki ni katu ongiki kichijun, haduwang poy kasibya kichijun, heryam ibet wapaka, kakam kadustur, hajrong uchilya bya, hadin wadakut kayutang kaniya. Tribes of Meghalaya, India. It blends the grace of a sari with a shawl-like piece known as adhara, typically made from luxurious materials such as mulberry silk or fine cotton. It showcases intricate weaving and designs that highlight the artisanal skills of the community. This attire is reserved for special occasions like cultural festivals and ceremonies, symbolizing deep-rooted cultural pride and identity within the region. Worn by married or elderly women, it is used as semi-formal dress or even for casual. Thatkacha is worn every day as a top layer over the clothes and thatsem, and it was worn both by married and unmarried women. The local people of Jaintias use thatkacha as an apron, the difference being it is worn throughout the day. It is considered a conservative and respectable attire. Nowadays, people wear thatkacha on occasions too. Wearing these attires, semkacha, is an ancient practice followed by the women of Jaintias as a symbol of medicinics, featuring dhara inspired, a long orange outer garment with intricate golden embroidery on the border, resembling traditional elegance. The flowing silhouette and full sleeves add a regal touch. Bottom layer, Thossaru influence, a black and white checkered skirt, blended traditional patterns with contemporary. Folk dance performed by women of the Panar community, especially during festivals like Wedding Kalam in Meghalaya. The dance features synchronized movements, foot stamping and clapping performed in circles or lines, creating a lively rhythm. Dancers wear traditional attire such as the jansam, complemented by intricate jewelry. The dance symbolizes joy, unity, and cultural pride, celebrating the community's spirit. Accompanied by traditional drum beats and songs, Chadalo plays an important role in Jainsam gracefully draped dhara and ornate paila extend while the ukok, adorned with vibrant flowers, symbolizes nature's harmony. This attire not only celebrates the rich heritage tradition and artistic embroidery, while the Rindia short cape and the decorative paila elements give it a unique, stylish and cultural appeal, combining both elegance and tradition, making it perfect for festive or formal occasions. It blends with modernity and cultural heritage. The earthy tones of the fabric symbolize our connection to nature, while the bold slit and structured design add a touch of contemporary elegance. The intricate beadwork and accessories enhance its beauty, telling a story of craftsmanship and cultural pride. This dress isn't just an outfit, it's a celebration of identity, artistry, and timeless prosperity in our region. From the name itself means showcasing the strong connection to nature and spiritual. The Jaintia people ensure that their cultural heritage remains. In fact, most of the Jaintia people use it in wedding plum. This tradition promote and sustain tradition practices including clothing. Which bloom in the month of March. The dress made up with the traditional fabric, which is Thosan and Rindyatilam, along with the earrings and headgear. This attire intricately weaves together pattern, colors, and designs that tells story from their folklore, while also symbolizes their strong connection to nature and spirituality. This attire holds deep significance, reflecting the values, history, and aspirations of the Jaintia people. Of grace, tradition, and deep pride in the Pinar culture. Tonight, she wears a blue sari, a beautiful reflection of her heritage and the elegance of her people. Crowned with strength and pride, she embodies the timeless spirit of a woman who honors her roots. The long red cape she wears, adorned with delicate floral accents and finished with children fabric, adds a regal touch, blending the old and the new. As she walks, she carries the weight of her heritage with grace and love, showcasing her pride and the beauty of her culture. Intricate, ruffled detailing and off-shoulder style suggests it could be a ceremonial or festive outfit. The accessories like the ball necklace add to the cultural significance, which might reflect a celebration of heritage or identity. The audience, please give a round of applause to all these beautiful ladies displaying and showcase the beautiful attire of our Jaintia region. This fashion show is presented to you by a group called Karan Santanrai, which was a very new group formed in the year 2024. This group, it focused on showcasing pure traditional dress.
Kifan kan nak.
So this Rebel Riff is a classic rock band from July. It was formed recently in this year, only, in the year 2024. Now their team members include Tebok, outdoor vocalist, bass guitar,